Alright, I got 4 different work lights we're going to talk about. Show you real quick, a little demonstration. This is the DCL 040. Pretty decent. And I'm using the 1.7 power stack battery. This is the DCL 050. I like this one, 2 settings on it. We got the DCL 043. I like this one a lot. It's pretty damn bright. Multiple settings. And then the big boy DCL 077. Boom. And it's got, I think, 3 settings on it. I just got it today. It's pretty bright though. I like it. I mean, you can't even tell I'm moving the freaking light. It's in lower